All right, in this video, I'm going to be testing out the video quality of the GoPro 11 Black Mini, and I'm also going to compare it to my naked GoPro Hero 8. So I plan to use this for FPV, and like I said, I've been using a naked GoPro Hero 8. There's a big difference in weight, but this drone can handle it. This thing still weighs 133 grams, so it's still heavy, even though it looks like it's smaller than a regular GoPro. And it is lighter than a regular GoPro, but not by a significant amount compared to the naked. So of course, you know, the main difference between these right now is this one does 5.3K. Also, it does not have a screen on the back, and it does not record photos. It only takes video. So that's the main points about this camera, is it does 5.3. It doesn't have a screen, and it only does video. So that's something to know when you're getting a GoPro. I never take pictures with a GoPro anyway, so that wasn't a big deal to me. So again, it only takes video. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up for 4K so I can do a fair comparison side to side. So here's going to be my settings in 4K. Okay, and for my video settings, I'm going to go to 4K, 60 frames, wide angle, hyper smooth is off. We're going to use gyro flow, and everything else is pretty much standard. We're not going to shoot in flat because I'm just going to shoot natural, see how it looks. And again, trying to keep everything the same when we're doing a test. Close this out. It's ready to go. Okay, unfortunately for the 8, I can only do 4K and 30 frames per second. So I'll go ahead and choose that. Hyper smooth is off also for this one, so that I can run it into gyro flow, and everything else is standard. I don't think I had the bitrate high. I'll make that standard on this one. Shutter, auto. Actually, we'll take this Pro Tune. Yep. Minimum ISO 100. Maximum, okay. Color, we want GoPro color, and we'll just go from there. Right now, I'm just going to fly them both around and see what the video quality looks like. Alright, that's it for this video. Again, I just wanted to test the video quality of the GoPro Mini, the 11 Mini, and I did compare it to my naked GoPro Hero 8 that I have. And let me know what you think of the video quality of this. The reason I got this is it was on sale for $200, $150 plus the $50 yearly subscription. I don't know why they did that, but I got it for $200. So for $200, I think this was a steal.